Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert checkbox in Microsoft Word. So click on File, then More, Options and Customize Ribbon. Here you will see the Developer tab. Turn on it. If it's not selected, so select, then click on OK. Now click on this Developer tab and here you will see this checkbox. Select it and if you make the big size so you can see properly like this. If you want to change the symbol, so click here. Now once you double click on it, so click on Properties, checked symbol change, and you can select another one. Click on OK, like this. So there are another symbols also. Find out in here Windings and select another one also. So thanks for watching.